Hi there. Today's video is going to be a short one. I'm not going to be diving into too much into how things work. It's more of a demo of a sample database that I've had on my website for years. It's actually one of the very first posts I ever made on my site, and it was a color converting utility. I've seen other people take it and modify it and repost it. But I created this long ago as a tool for myself in reality. Basically, I quite often, when you're developing forms, buttons, whatever, getting the colors right can be a little bit challenging at times. And basically I created this because sometimes I'd go online, I'd find, let's say, a hex value that I liked, or I'd take it from a website. And then it's, how do I convert a hex value to what Access wanted, which was an OLE value, or an RGB value, so I could use that also in VBA and things like that. So I just created this utility, and basically all it does is it shuffles values between the three formats back and forth automatically, so you don't have to rack your head about it. Now, obviously, if you download the sample and go look, the code is there. You can take it if you want. But this is really just a development tool that, well, for me, has served its purpose numerous times over the years. Recent update, I've also integrated the color picker directly into it as well. So if you don't want to enter or use sliders, you can use a color picker to go get something. Even if it isn't 100% what you want, it might get you very close to what you want, and then you can use the sliders. So you can come to my blog and just scroll down and download it. As you can see, it's already been downloaded almost 31,000 times. And it's there, it's free, it's unlocked, no strings attached per the usual. Just a quick demo. You open the database, this is what you're going to get. Like I said, I've integrated a color picker, so let's just take that for a quick tour. It's the standard default, very basic color picker. Yes, we could integrate other ones and more advanced ones. I have blog articles that explain how that can be done. You can just pick one by default. There we go. Okay. And that's going to be set. And there you have it. It's already giving the OLE equivalent, your RGB if you want to do it, your hex value if you want it. You can also go into define custom color, and then you really can get into some funky fancy things and go get whatever color you're looking for. And then once again, once you're happy, you just say okay, and there it is. At the same time, like I say, this is close, but it's not 100% what I wanted. Well, then you can use the sliders if you wanted. And you can use any of the sliders in any of the formats. So, you pick and choose how you want to try to adjust it, or you go back to the color picker and you decide, I'm going to repick it and I'm going to fine tune it there until you get just what you want. And there you go. But that's basically what this whole utility is. I've also added now 3 buttons. So if you want, you can just copy that. Now it's in memory, and you can go paste it in your property on your form or whatever you're developing. Same thing here. You can copy the hex value. You could use that in your HTML or wherever you need to use it. But that's it. Just a simple little tool that can help you sometimes, go back and forth between the different formats depending on where you are and what you're needing to do. I hope it proves helpful to a few of you out there. Like I say, it's freely downloadable, completely unlocked. I'll even prove it. There's never any strings attached with my demos. You have access to absolutely everything. There's no passwords, nothing's locked out, so you can see how it all works, and you can take what you need if you want to implement things within your system. We'll stop there. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one, everyone.